Positive Parenting, Early Childhood, Track 8, Commands and Directions. Giving commands. There are two types of commands, ineffective and effective. Ineffective commands are phrased as a question. Do you want to take a bath? What do you want if your child said? What do you do if your child says no? You're kind of stuck, having ceded power to your child. Giving multiple commands at once or in rapid-fire sequence is also ineffective. When someone told you to read this book, eat the sandwich, go to the bathroom, go downstairs, feed the dog, you wouldn't be able to do all those things at once. There's no way to comply and successfully accomplish what you have been asked to do. There's no way to comply and successfully accomplish what you have been asked to do. Developmentally inappropriate commands are doomed to failure. They also hurt a child's self-esteem, as they aren't equipped to accomplish what has been asked of them, no matter how willing. For example, it wouldn't be very effective to ask a toddler to remember to feed the dog after breakfast. Effective commands are direct. You are not asking a child if they want to do something. The command instructs the child to do something specific. For example, say, "It's time to take a bath," instead of asking, "Do you want to take a bath?" They are phrased positively in terms of what to do, not what to stop. Please be gentle with your toys, rather than, "Don't throw that." They are specific. They tell the child exactly what you want to have happen. Please put on your blue shirt now. Effective commands are given one at a time with a chance for the child to comply. Use a normal tone of voice. Don't yell. Pay attention to your facial expression and body language. Maybe you need to take a few deep breaths before launching into command mode. Be polite. Remember modeling. If you include please in the command and thank you, if you include please in the command and thank your child when they have accomplished what you have asked, you are more likely to hear them using those words. Effective commands are also realistic and age-appropriate. Finally, effective commands are used only when really necessary. If a child feels overwhelmed by hearing nonstop commands all day, they might be less likely to follow those commands by the end of the day. Alternatively, if they hear fewer commands, they are more likely to comply when those few commands are given. 3- and 4-year-olds respond well when offered a simple choice, and they need opportunities to learn how to pay attention to what they hear. 5-year-olds have more developed language skills, which makes understanding directions easier for them. Finally, when a child does comply with the command, you can reinforce the positive behavior of following the command by reinforcing it with praise. Give a specific labeled praise such as, "Thank you for listening," "Thank you for following my direction," or "Thank you for helping me with that task." Not only will the job get done, but you will be reinforcing your child's positive self-esteem and sense of feeling good about being on the family team.